Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all? And I hope you all are doing good. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching this video and watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. So be support me like this and stay tuned with me forever. Secondly, you can see, viewers, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending designs of knee-high socks ideas. This is very helpful video and totally handmade collection. So please don't skip this video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of most popular collection. Viewers, share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive designs of knee-high socks, and some are short socks. So please share this video. I hope they will love these most beautiful collection. You know, guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of combinations. So in this video you will see different used thread and amazing collection, very easy to make. So must make this beautiful design for yourself, because winter is coming right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them, and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.